Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Microsoft Teams with the error code AUTH underscore roadblock underscore AUTH underscore strap in Windows. So this error prevents Teams access, suspending productivity by stopping participations in scheduled calls or access to shared files. And the problem typically arises from connectivity between the app, Microsoft servers, and corrupted cache data files. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to check network connections. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type troubleshoot settings and then click open. So here at troubleshoots, and then you need to select other troubleshooters and then click. And then again here at other troubleshooters, and then next step, then you need to select this network and internet. And on right side, then you can see here the button, and then click this run. And we will redirect here at help and supports. So all you have to do is to follow the step-by-step method and procedures to fix the error. So all complete details here you can see in this screen notifications. Alright, so once you're done here, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to enable TLS protocols. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type internet option and then click open and pop up this internet properties. And the next step, then you need to select this advanced tab and then click at here at advanced tab settings, and then you need to scroll down and find this use TLS. All right, so all you have to do is to uncheck this 3.0, 1.0, and 1.1. All right, so you need to disable. So uncheck this box. This 3.0, 1.0, and 1.1, you need to disable. And then next step, then you need to enable this 1.2 and then 1.3. All right, so check this box. And after that, click apply and then click OK. All right, so that's it guys. And then here at the start menu, and then we need to restart. All right. Okay, so that's it on how to fix Microsoft Teams with the error code AUTH underscore roadblock underscore AUTH underscore strap in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.